not subscribed to our channel, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button as shown above. Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology. In today's video, we will cover one more important topic. The planet of divine knowledge, higher wisdom, the planet of auspiciousness, Jupiter, is going to become combust from 2nd April 2023 till 29th April 2023. In this video, we will see the impact of a combust Jupiter on the world in general, on all of us, and what we can expect because of this combustion during this time. So Jupiter becomes combust on 2nd April 2023 at 7:21 p.m. IST. Now look at this chart. You can see the planet Jupiter or Guru present in the sign of Meen, very close to the Sun, represented by the letters SU. So I have shown this in a purple box. Now first let us understand what exactly is meant by a combust planet. The definition of combustion is that when any planet comes very close to the Sun, usually within plus or minus 5 degrees to 8 degrees of the Sun, the planet gets lost in the light of the Sun, and therefore its normal significations are affected. That is, it is not able to perform its regular duties normally. Now, why does this happen? Let us imagine that you are standing near a very hot source of light. What is going to happen to you? For some time, you will be able to bear the heat, but over a period of time, you will start sweating. You will start feeling uncomfortable. You will not be able to do your regular work normally. The same thing happens with any planet which is very close to the Sun. Now in this case, from 2nd April to 29th April 2023, Jupiter is going to be very close to the Sun, that is within plus minus 8 degrees of the Sun. On 22nd April 2023, Jupiter will cross over to the next sign, that is the sign of Aries. But even then, for a week, he is still going to be combust because he is still within plus minus 8 degrees from the Sun. Now, what are the normal duties of Jupiter? What does Jupiter represent? Jupiter is a guru, Jupiter is a teacher, Jupiter is a guide, Jupiter is an advisor. That is his primary duty. He is Dev Guru, that is, he gives advice to the Devtas, he guides them. In the human chart, Jupiter represents auspiciousness. He is the Karka for many things, such as children, happy married life, wealth, prosperity. Jupiter also represents higher learning. Jupiter represents divine knowledge, grace of God. Being the ruler of Sagittarius, Jupiter represents spirituality, dharma, and Jupiter also rules the sign of Pisces, which represents isolation, spirituality, expenses. So now Jupiter is becoming combust in the sign of Pisces. So because of this, like I explained earlier, the regular duties of Jupiter cannot be performed normally. So what are the regular duties? Jupiter is an advisor. So the advisor cannot perform his duty perfectly, which means that now the kings who receive advice, they might not get proper advice from their ministers or their advisors. So the government has to be very careful in this time, especially the people at the top, such as the Prime Minister, President, as to whom they take the advice from. Now, if you receive wrong advice, wrong things will happen. Now, this does not apply just to kings, just to presidents, just to CEOs, just to prime ministers. It applies to all of us. In our life also, we have people advising us, giving us guidance, And those people are nothing but the planet Jupiter in our life, like our parents, our teachers, our gurus. So, in this time, there is a possibility that we might not receive the right advice from such people. And therefore, what kind of advice you receive, whom you receive it from, you need to be very careful. You need to introspect before you act on any advice that you receive in this time period. Jupiter also represents higher education, higher learning, spirituality, dharma, religion. And therefore, the advice related to religion, related to dharma, may not come in a proper way to us in this time period. This can lead to religious conflicts, riots in different parts of the world, because each one is obsessed with his own religion. He does not understand the concept of spirituality perfectly, and the right advice is not coming to them. Jupiter is also the Karka for marriage, for happy married life. So, when Jupiter is combust, it is not advisable to actually get married in this time period. So, if you are planning to get married in this time period, just hold on for a few more days. Let Jupiter come out of combustion, and then you can take a major decision to get married. So the point I am making here is, if you are now planning to marry someone, please hold on. But earlier, if you have already taken a decision long time back and your marriage is fixed in this time period, then go ahead with that. But if you are taking any major decision related to going for a marriage now, then hold on for some time. Jupiter is the Karka for higher learning, for education, divine knowledge, foreign lands. So if you are going to foreign countries in this time period, if you are deciding to go to foreign countries for higher education in this time period, please pause for some time, think consciously what will be the impact, and then only go for it. So take a major decision once Jupiter comes out of combustion. Jupiter is also the Karka for wealth. So in this time period, if you are receiving any advice related to investments, those advices may not come to you in a right manner. So taking major financial decisions in this time period is not a wise thing. Hold on for some time, let Jupiter come out of combustion, and then you take your major financial decisions. Even Jupiter is now going to move into the Aries sign on 22nd April, and before that he will transit through the Revati Nakshatra, which is ruled by Budh or Mercury, and therefore when Jupiter is combust and transiting through this Revati Nakshatra, decisions related to the stock market may go wrong. There might be sudden crash in the stock market. The stock market will be very volatile in this time period. Jupiter will also be crossing the Gandanta zone, that is the zone between the fire sign of Aries and water sign of Pisces. And therefore, during that period, there will be a stress on the financial markets, on the share market, and major expenses may come in the way of many people. So, learn to save money. Do not waste your money unnecessarily. Jupiter in the 12th house of Pisces can increase the expenses exponentially, especially when he is combust. So be careful with your finances in this time period. Do not take very major decisions in this time period. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the sign of Pisces is a water sign which represents oceans, which represents rivers. And as you can see, when Jupiter, Sun and Neptune are in the sign of Pisces, major cyclones, major tsunamis can come in different parts of the world. There can also be volcanic eruptions under the sea because of this combination. I can see a major impact on the north and northeast regions, mainly the regions near the Himalayas, Jammu and Kashmir, and also regions such as West Bengal, Orissa, Nagaland, Sikkim, Manipur. All these regions are not in a safe zone right now because of Jupiter becoming combust. Jupiter is the Jeev Karaka. Jupiter is the significator of life itself. And when Jupiter is under combustion, it means your life is also under stress. So, whatever houses Jupiter rules in your chart, those areas could be affected in this time. For example, for the Gemini ascendant, Jupiter rules the 7th house of Sagittarius and the 10th house of Pisces. So, Jupiter rules the areas of marriage, partnerships, career, business, and profession. So, for the Gemini ascendant, when Jupiter becomes combust, these areas will be mainly affected. There will be some stress related to your partnerships, your business, your work life, your profession, your career in this time period. Similarly, for the other ascendants, whichever houses Jupiter rules, those areas will be impacted in some way or the other in this time period. So, what is the solution to a combust Jupiter? Can you stop Jupiter from becoming combust? No, you cannot stop it because it is a planetary movement. But what you can do is you can worship Jupiter, you can increase the Guru Tattva within you. So try to worship Guru daily, try to worship Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, Lord Dattatreya. That will strengthen the Jupiter aspect within you. It will make Jupiter more powerful and combustion will not have a major impact on you. Jupiter also represents teachers, gurus, priests. So in this time period, try to serve your teachers, gurus and priests. Try to donate food to priests. Try to donate yellow articles, yellow clothes, yellow bananas because Jupiter represents yellow color. The donation should go to a Jupiter represented person, that is a priest, a teacher, a guru or even a child. Do such donations on the day of Jupiter, that is Thursday. Pray more to Jupiter on Thursdays. That way you will strengthen Jupiter, you will make Jupiter more powerful and this combustion will not have any impact on you to a large extent. On the world front, like I explained earlier, the right advice will not be received by the people at the top, that is CEOs, CFOs, prime ministers, presidents, and therefore wrong decisions can be taken in this time which can have a very lasting impact in the days ahead. So people at the top, they need to be very careful about what advice they are receiving, whom they are receiving it from, and to act on that advice only after careful deliberation, careful thinking and self-introspection. So friends, thanks a lot. Bye. Take care and stay safe. For any queries, you can write to us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we'll be glad to assist you. We'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye.